Welcome to Intel Edge Software Hub training. My name is Pooja Baraskar. I'm a software engineer at Intel's Internet of Things group. In this video, we will walk through the process of running and customization of the social distancing detection for retail settings reference implementation. Social distancing and face masks are one of the most effective non-pharmaceutical ways to help prevent the spread of disease. Let us see how shall an AI researcher and developer quickly create an application to solve the unprecedented challenging for human being. A multi-camera surveillance solution demonstrates an end-to-end analytics pipeline to detect people and calculate social distance between people from multiple input feeds. Frames are transformed, scaled, and normalized into BGR images, which can be fed to the Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit for inference. The steps involved to perform the inference are: first, we apply Open Model Zoo person detection model to detect people from all the video streams. Second, we compute Euclidean distance between all the people from the above step. Third, based on the above measurements, check whether any people are violating n pixels apart. We store total violation count of social distancing data in InfluxDB and visualize the stored data of InfluxDB on Grafana dashboard. The recommended system requirements for running this reference implementation are Ubuntu 18.04.3 LTS or CentOS 7.x, 6th to 10th generation Intel Core processors with Iris Pro graphics or Intel HD graphics. Additionally, you can have a USB webcam. This is an optional requirement and can be used while testing the application with your own custom videos. We also have a recommended development kit, IEI Tank, which is best suited for this kind of application. In order to configure and download the reference implementation, you can navigate to this link. You can watch video titled Configure and Download Process in Edge Software Hub, which will provide you a detailed walkthrough of this process. In order to get started, copy the application folder to your target machine and make sure you have saved the product key sent to you on your registered email. You will be prompted to enter this product key in the beginning of the installation process. To start with the installation, open your terminal, locate the folder and unzip the reference implementation package. Navigate to Social Distancing Detection for Retail Settings directory. Next, we change the permission of the executable Edge software file and run it to install the reference implementation. You will be prompted to enter the product key. Copy this product key from your email and paste it in the terminal. This is the same key shown on the download page. During the installation process, internet connectivity is verified, product key is validated, and finally all the necessary modules are downloaded. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message on the terminal and the installation status for each module. The project files are saved under the initial directory. Inside the multi-camera detection of social distancing folder, you will find the documentation guide and a folder named MCSS COVID-19 containing the application folder and code files. In the application folder, you will find a file named configuration.env which contains all the settings of this application. In this file, you can change specifications such as input video, the number of input sources and channels, minimum social distancing requirement, device selection to run the inference and decoding device. You can also change inferencing model or use multiple models for this application. We will cover all these customizations in next part of the video. Now, let's move forward with running our reference implementation with a test video. The application works better with input feed in which cameras are placed at eye level angle. For test run, please download a sample video at 1280 by 720 resolution and place it in the resource directory. This dataset is subjected to a license and the terms and condition of the dataset license apply. Intel does not guarantee any right to this data files. To run the application, first navigate to the working directory and then let's run this command. We are using the Intel pre-trained deep learning models with the test input video and then running the application as per as the default settings. This is how the default output looks like. People following social distancing measures are shown with blue bounding box and people violating social distancing measures are shown with a red bounding box. In the next video, we will show you how you can customize this reference implementation based on your requirements and how you can visualize this data in a dashboard.